Hi everyone, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new tutorial video. Today we're going to talk about money management and range markets. So I just wanted to do this quick video because I just took a trade. Today we are the 27th of April 2021, of course, and I took this trade on Zen USDT. I don't know how you call it in your language. I call it Zen because in French we call Zen, and it's Horizon. I don't know the right pronunciation. The important stuff here is, why do I change money management when the market changes? So if you're not familiar with market cycles, I did a video talking about them. I will link the video in the description right below. The important thing to know is to use index. So the index tells you in which state of the market you are. So for example, in those phases you are in impulsion, there correction, impulsion, correction, impulsion, correction, and so on. So this is the 4-hour chart, and you can see that on the 4-hour chart there we are in an impulsion phase. But if you look at the daily, the market is much more complicated, and we are much more in a volatile market than we are in a directional market. What's volatility? It's simply when the market goes sideways and it does not really know where it wants to go. Maybe it's going to go sideways and that kind of stuff. And you don't want that. You want to be, I want to be in very straight and good directional markets. So for example, I want to be in this kind of market and this kind of market. And there, what gets interesting is when markets start to become into ranges, there are going to be bad things happening, and those bad things are upsides and downsides. What I mean by that is, when you take a trade, so for example, you have your index that is in a range position, and you take a trade just like I did on Zen. What's going to happen is, when you take a breakout like I did, so right there you see this this important level, breaks the important level, I take the trade, and this is a bet. What's going to happen in directional markets, just like I showed you on the index before, your success rate is going to be like 80 to 90%. So you're going to lose. If you take, for example, 100 trades, you're going to lose 10 trades and you're going to win 90 of them. And the good thing for that is that you can risk more money because you're not going to lose less. But when you get into those range markets, you are going to have a success rate of, I don't know, around 40 to 50%. Like one trade is going to make it, the other trade is going to hit your stop loss and you're going to lose, and so on. So to compensate the success rate, you need to bet less money. Otherwise, you're going to lose all the money you made trying to take bets into range markets, and that you don't want, because remember, the first rule is never lose money. And if you lose money in an uncontrolled way, especially if you take, I don't know, 10 trades, imagine 10 of those trades end up losing. Because in range markets, sometimes nothing works and markets are just crashing or they're bouncing in the shitty range. And that's really important to understand, is that the success rate depends on the state of the market. So right now, because we're in a range market, and I know the market can flip right away because the market does not have the impulsion. Oh, sorry, I hit the microphone. The market doesn't have the impulsion. I need to secure my risk management. So I chose to trade with only 1% risk. On the opposite, I trade with 2% and 3% in directional markets. And if the market is really, really, really uncertain, I can even go down to 0.5, where I'm really, really not sure of what I'm doing, or I'm really, really not sure that the market is going to bounce. And I just wanted to share that because I don't see many people understanding the probability side of technical analysis and trading. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. Do you agree? Do you use always the same amount of risk on every position you take, or do you, like me, change the amount of risk you're taking depending on the market conditions? I'd like to hear about your strategies and the way you manage your risk. Thank you so much for watching. Manage your risk, never lose money, and hope you will become a successful trader in this market. Goodbye, have a very good day.